The Zoom TKL comes in 6 stylish colors. We designed modular accent plates for the top and bottom, allowing users to personalize the look of their keyboard. The Zoom TKL breaks the barrier between custom mechanical keyboards and typical mass-produced keyboards. It comes with a flexible polycarbonate plate, supercritical foaming gasket sleeves, pour-on foams, and a flex-cut PCB. Every keystroke is crisp and clean. Each bottom-out feeling is soft and comfortable. The sound can be custom-tuned to deliver a typing experience that satisfies in every way. Well-designed switches, high-density dampener foams, and premium switch lubricant make the sound more concentrated and deep. When typing, it sounds more like classical music rather than heavy metal. The Zoom TKL comes with modern Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. Combination shortcuts allow you to connect and recall up to 3 wireless devices at once. With the popular and powerful VIA software, custom keys and functions can be easily programmed at one computer and used in all other devices. The extra F13 key also allows you to set additional functions. With a variety of light effects, the Zoom TKL also has beautiful, customizable RGB side glow and can decorate your desk space further. The ergonomic 5-degree angle can reduce wrist stress and fatigue, particularly over long periods of usage. In addition, users can maximize customization according to their preferences, including hot swap switches, layouts, and plates. While the Zoom TKL looks modest, its elegance shines when you get to make it uniquely yours. The Zoom TKL is not just a keyboard, it's a new approach to peripherals.
Introducing the K8 Pro, our first ever QMK wireless mechanical keyboard that supports QMK and VIA right out of the box. The K8 Pro is completely revolutionizing the typing experience from the inside out. The new double-shot OSA profile PBT keycaps add more comfortability and thought feel. The double-shot PBT keycaps prevent the legends from fading out and the keycap surfaces from oil-greasy shine. Internally, the newly upgraded bottom acoustic silicone pad, PCB mount stabilizers, and sound-absorbing foam provide each downstroke on the keyboard to have a much better typing sound. In addition to an outstanding tactile feel, the K8 Pro supports VIA key configuration to allow you to have the capability to fully customize and program each key on the keyboard much easier. With its Bluetooth 5.1 wireless connectivity, enjoy a stable and smooth wireless experience with up to 3 devices simultaneously. The K8 Pro fully supports macOS function keys and also Windows layout. You can even adjust the keyboard to your preferred angle with its ergonomically adjustable feet. Not to mention, it also has embedded south-facing RGB lights and hot swappable switch functions. With all of these premium features, the Keychron K8 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard will deliver an epic typing experience and optimize your productivity.
The Corsair K70 RGB TKL mechanical gaming keyboard offers pro-level performance powered by Corsair Axon Hyper processing technology, all within a compact 10-keyless form factor. On top of its space-saving form factor, the K70 RGB TKL has a detachable USB Type-C cable for portability and a dedicated tournament mode switch to make it competition ready. The tournament switch puts the K70 RGB TKL into a competition-compliant mode that changes backlighting to a single static color to reduce distractions, disables custom actions and macros to prevent accidental activation, and offers a basic standard keyboard profile. To enable tournament mode, flip the tournament switch to the right and an LED will light up red to show that tournament mode has been enabled. Then, flip up the switch cover to lock it into place to prevent accidental deactivation during competitive play. It's important to note that all IQ functionality and any onboard custom lighting effects or macros will be disabled when in tournament mode. During normal operation and when connected to a system or device that doesn't have IQ running, the K70 RGB TKL will be in hardware mode. When in hardware mode, you can switch between different onboard profiles you may have saved to the K70 RGB TKL by pressing the profile button. You can also toggle through different onboard lighting effects by holding down the function key and pressing keys 1 through 0. Using Corsair IQ, you can unlock the full experience of the K70 RGB TKL with dynamic RGB lighting control, macro programming, as well as exclusive integration with supported games and applications. Additionally, IQ allows you to save multiple profiles with custom hardware lighting and key assignments directly to your keyboard, as well as enable 8000 Hz polling. And that's it for the new Corsair K70 RGB TKL.